All right, folks, I'm back with another gorgeous, beautiful 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 143,000 miles and only 55 idle hours. This vehicle was an LA County Fire Chief vehicle. I'm sure it was only taken to and from home, the department, and maybe the market every now and then to get a grocery run. The vehicle is original Dark Toreador Red from factory, so the vehicle does have scratches and it does have some door dings. Folks, once again, this vehicle was not a repaint. This is the original paint, so please expect to see some scratches and some door dings. Once again, the vehicle does have 143,000 miles with only 55 idle hours. Folks, vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. The paint looks great, very shiny, but once again, folks, it does have scratches and door dings. Fresh new window tint. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks, so you don't have to worry about this vehicle failing on you, because guess what? I already went through everything. I do have 3 holes in the trunk where those 3 actual antennas are right there, folks. These are the actual antennas, so there, if you need to go through the express car wash, these antennas are gonna stay put. They're not gonna fly out anywhere. This is gonna be an E85 flex fuel vehicle, so E85, okay. Folks, I do have some minor little scuff marks on the rear bumper. Also, I do have some paint peel right there that I managed to touch it up with the same Dark Toreador paint. So I touched it up. I guess when they were scraping the fire letters, they took out the paint. No biggie, so I did put some touch-up paint right there. Folks, before I forget, I must tell you that I do have a brand new set of takeoff tires on this particular vehicle. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles RSAs. Folks, excuse the noise in the background, it's kind of windy. Once again, and a new set of takeoff tires. Along with that, I did send out the steel wheels to get repainted, so they do look new all over again. Fresh new set of tires. All 4 steel wheels were reconditioned, repainted, so they do look new all over again. Folks, I know it said scratches, but I've been missing out. I got some scratches right here, door ding right here, okay, and I do have I have some more on the other side. No spotlights. I do have a clear lights and lenses in the front. The side markers came with the vehicle. However, I did replace the headlamps on the vehicle. The ones that came with it in the beginning, they were yellowish and oxidated, so I do usually keep 2 sets of original equipment headlights, and I do replace those as needed. So yes, I do have new housing, headlamp housing and light bulbs in the front. The chrome grille that came with the car was replaced, and I put a honeycomb good use wheel honeycomb good use grill. I'm sorry, folks, I'm trying to hurry up here and I keep stuttering and falling back. The chrome grille that came with the car, I didn't like it, so I had to replace it, and I wanted to go with this look right there that you guys see. All right, folks, I do have a 2 new sets of all-season wiper blades. Folks, before I forget, I gotta be honest, I did have the roof repainted. There were some heavy scratches right here. The paint was like peeling off, so I did have the whole roof repainted, okay? Before I forget, I also did have the header panel repainted. So the header panel was repainted. It was broken right here, so I had my body shop repair it, and they had to paint it. So there, those 2 areas, the header panel and the roof, were repainted, okay, folks? Just wanted to clean up the car a little bit better. I do have some door dings right here. I do have some dings right here as well. Once again, folks, I'm being honest as much as I can on this vehicle. You know, another door ding right there. I need to step it up because I'm going on my 6th minute. Folks, as you guys can see, I do have a matching rear interior, all seat belts and buckles right in place, carpeting floor with matching floor mats. Once again, courtesy of the LA County Fire. Okay, this vehicle was not a patrol, so it wasn't beat in any kind of way, shape, or form. 143,000 miles on the vehicle. I'm almost positive, and I'm sure I'm willing to bet money on it, it was all highway miles. Rear differential on this particular unit is going to be the Zebra 5. Zebra 5 open, specially designed for highway driving. Driver's side seat is in good condition, nice and comfortable. I do have a brand new aftermarket center console right there that sits right in between those two seats, nice and tight. Passenger side seat looks to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. I do have one little tear right there on the carpet, and that's about it. Let's go inside. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Perfect dash. There's nothing there. Some double side tape right there. Nothing big to worry about. Working cruise control. Honk does work. Let's go ahead and fire her up. I do have one key with this vehicle, one key only. Pressure lights are off. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle does have 143,000 miles. So far, I'm responsible for 71 driven, 55 idle hours. That is it. Everything does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song, so yes, everything does work in this vehicle. Tail light, I did put a new lens. It didn't have anything when the car got here. Map lights do work. All right. Let's go to the trunk. Let's go under the hood real quick. Did I forget anything here? Hopefully not. Cruise control does work. Honk works. All right, let's continue. And this is the trunk, nice and spacious. I do have a spare tire, full spare tire and wheel in the trunk with the hold down pen. It's right there, folks. Everything is in place. And here's the engine. Folks, my detail crew did an outstanding job bringing the paint back to life and cleaning up the whole car inside out, pretty much. So this is the results. Vehicle is in perfect running condition. She doesn't need any repairs on her whatsoever, as everything has already been addressed by me. And yes, I do all the work on my vehicle, so I do know exactly what's coming on and off. All right, let's get started. Right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil change, full synthetic Motorcraft transmission service, fluid and filter. I do have a brand new battery. Folks, before I forget, I also do have a brand new OEM radiator fan shroud assembly and module. Yes, when the car got to me, it was overheating. I didn't let it overheat a lot, but I noticed that the fan wasn't coming on. I've also noticed that the radiator was probably replaced not long ago. So that, the radiator was ruled out, and we had the fan tested and it wasn't working. So folks, brand new radiator from the department, brand new radiator fan shroud assembly at my expense, okay? There you go. Nothing's bent. So yes. And also, folks, if you guys can see, I do have a brand new tensioner, pulley, and drive belt, all by Gates. All right, so I went ahead and had that, you know, I took care of this and I replaced all 3 components at the same time. That's usually how you want to do it. It's got a semi-new intake manifold from that department, so they already took care of that. I did run a BG fuel system treatment on this vehicle to clean out the fuel lines. Brakes in the front are about 90%. Brakes in the rear were about 80%, so I went ahead and left that alone. Didn't have to replace anything whatsoever. Folks, the vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Once again, she's fully serviced. And if we look down there, folks, I can tell you that the air conditioner, receiver, and dryer was also replaced by the department. It's still got the sticker there from Ford Motor Company. Am I forgetting anything else? I hope not. Once again, folks, I set you up for success on another great running vehicle. And folks, I'm putting this vehicle at $7,800, not a penny less, not a penny more. Everything has been serviced. All you have to do is just take it to your local DMV and maybe your gas station, if anything, your local gas station, and get it registered in your hometown. One last final look at this beautiful 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor LA County Fire vehicle. Once again, not a patrol unit. Not a patrol unit. This was probably a Fire Marshal take-home unit. Those are the only guys who drive these cars up and down the highway. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a blessed week out there. Please be safe. Thank you. God bless and take care.